Na big men na create insecurity and na dem go fit still end am if they decide. Caleb Mutfwang. Welcome country people to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification button. It go alert you of our updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. The governor of Plateau State, Caleb Mutfwang, he don't blame the persistent security challenge of the country on the big men for the country. He did talk on Wednesday during one stakeholder meeting when he get the theme Dialogue on Community Policing as a panacea for insecurity in Nigeria, the case of Plateau State. Na there he can accuse the big men, say na dem dey fuel communal hatred. He say they go fit end the security crisis if dem take decisive and intentional leadership, and that is if they decide to do so. According to Mutfwang, he say in theory, be say more than anybody else, the challenges of insecurity for Nigeria, he say na the elite dem na create the problem. When the elite conspire to lead the people in the wrong direction, he say this perennial crisis na be say na challenge when e no dey go, e dey always dey recur. He say e go continue. He say many a times, he say you go find out, say even when the poisoning of the mind begins for the community, when the elite take leadership, and if they say it must stop, he say they go address am adequately and it go stop. He say but when the elite dem na dey even dey blow the embers of this crisis, he say na dem be the people. He say I make dem do their analysis. He say they go begin dey say things when e go poison the mind of ordinary people, because then the challenge go dey sustained. He can call on the elite dem make dem take greater responsibility to promote stories